Ismail and Ramzan Mubarak. This is my LinkedIn account. This is the LinkedIn account. And this is my People Per Hour account. Check it. Okay, now I am showing you my one of the project I have done for a client on People Per Hour. This is the project. Mm, this is the project. This is client for website. But what I have done in this, I will show you now what I have done for the client in this website. First, I will add a product. I will add in this the outdoor chair. Select this or simply add to cart. It is in the cart. Before that, when I click on add to cart, it show in the cart and suddenly it gone from the cart. What I have done for the client to fix this problem, I have searched for their MySQL tables in which they have cart tables, shopping cart tables, add to cart tables. I have removed that and I have created that from the start because it has been corrupted and there are some rows and some code which have been removed due to which that product is not adding to the cart, and I have used WordPress MySQL and fixed that problem, created that again, that all the tables, and then the problem is fixed. You have seen the now the products are adding into the cart. Their website is created in the WooCommerce. If you need any help in WooCommerce, Shopify, WordPress, or anything like creating a chatbot or adding a payment integrations, I am there and I will be do your work in reasonable price. You will not get any overrated price. You will get the best price and best work.